Where's this coconut water? Boil it. We're gonna boil it up. Cornstarch. Dan? Ow. Suka kau nya, Dai.
Got to hold on there, see inside.
Bugas na tao kamuti. Bari. Ba? Edit na? Or mura na?
Mura.
Oops, baby. Kapul. Di halatang kuan. Processed food tanan. Are, ana. Are. Dago. Using the Visor Society. Come back. Toner. Ngadto.
Alcoholic drinks?
Alcohol.
Alcohol drug.
Pero kung isa ka daw siya. Ayan, ito. Isa ka siya ba? Listen daw.
Okay, dami yung
Ano ko dito? Hindi ko kumudaw. Ah! Tagwan ako.
dami yung
Yan na siya tapos mag-close ako. No?
Masa na nila po?
O, diba? Let's go.
She stays like cola.
Nag-cons ako guys. Kaya, oh. Wala siya.
Mag-CR sa ito?
Smiley, smiley, little boy, jumping puppy, puppy word.
morals. Kaninjong tanan matong hapon. Focus kanunay sa imong kaugalingon diya sa paghigugma pag-alagad sa imong asawa. Tumanong ba ninyong duha ang pag-agak sa mga anak na ihatag kaninyo sa mga pamilya sa atong bagong kinasal na nanamo karon, ladies and gentlemen, may I now formally introduce to you our newly married couple in the church, Mr. and Mrs. Pinos. A round of applause. And at this point in time, atong saksihan ang bagong magdiayon, si Claire o si Tim, na muhimo sa ilang first legal lips to
Congrats to Kim. Waiting. Jennifer Warners ba ito yung pangan? Basta kay... Yeah.
Basta na ini.
Senior Flower Girls. Oh. So, thank you, King. So, the inside are... Oh, cutie. The packaging is so cute. Diba, pinakita ko sa inyo? So, the first is, nasuot na namin to kanina and may makeup ko. It's a shades. Next is wallet. The wallet is so cute. It's so pretty. It's so very cutesy, very demure, very aesthetic. Oh my god. Charot. Okay. Okay. Una natin kasi oh! Akala ko may card. Kwarto? Ayan. Akala ko may ano, card, something. Thank you.
Card.
I love it. Na, murag card. Sabi kong thank you card. Ano na di ay ka na, murag.
Card nga naisod ko
Murag decor. Yeah. For example.
Agad kayo sa card.
It's really cute. I have my wallet na so excited with this. Hanbuli. Hanbuli. It's a Chinese product. I don't know what is this. Let me try to search it first because di na ko siya ma-search. Basta kay one is to open, second is to use it. Chinese siya guys. Di siya ma-search. I don't know why. Di siya ma-translate. Siguro loading lang ko. Loading lang a network. But this is the product itself. I think fragrant and loose truth hair care essence. Hair care essence for 100 ml. It's really cute. Ang cute niya.
Asa na tikay.
Hair essence daw. Baka sa hair. We need to wait. Try natin. Wow. Wait, try natin.
Ako.
Oo, pang hair talaga siya. Ayun. Yan pala.
So, gamit
I
na
love
natin
it. The last
yung-
one. May picture pa ako nito. Kailangan ko itong picturean. Bye guys. Thank you for watching the vlog. And congratulations to birthday, King King and Kuya Team. And also happy birthday to my dearest Mamo. She is in America right now. Hello, Mamo. How are you there?
Good morning.
It's good morning. It's morning right there, right? Oh my God, it's your birthday today. Birthday niya ngayon kasi mas mauna dito sa Pilipinas, di ba? Ay, or doon mauna. Yun lang. Iisip ko na.
Kailan pa yung
Bye!
birthday ko?